Welcome back. In the previous video, we downloaded the necessary installation package from the marketplace and obtained our license files. Here you can see the Privileged Access Manager self-hosted zip file, our license file, and the recpub.key, which are essential for the image building process. Now let's switch to the Azure portal. We'll begin by navigating to Storage Accounts. If you don't have one already, this list will be empty. Click the Create button to begin setting up a new storage account. Start by selecting your subscription. For this example, we'll use PAM on Cloud. Next, choose a resource group. You can either create a new one or select an existing group. We'll go with the existing PAM on Cloud resource group. Now, let's provide a unique name for our storage account. We'll call it PAM on Cloud Storage. Remember, this name needs to be globally unique across Azure and can only contain lowercase letters and numbers. For the region, select the one that is most appropriate for your needs or closest to your other services. In this example, we're choosing Southeast Asia. We'll keep the performance tier as standard. For redundancy, we will select Locally Redundant Storage, or LRS, for this demonstration, which is a cost-effective option suitable for non-critical scenarios. Choose the redundancy option that best fits your availability and durability requirements. With the basic configuration set, click Review and Create. Azure will validate the settings. Once validation passes, review the summary to ensure everything is correct, and then click Create to begin the deployment. The deployment process will now start. You can monitor its progress directly on this page or through the Notifications panel. This might take a few moments. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a notification. Click on Go to Resource to navigate to the newly created storage account. In the Storage Account menu, find the Data Storage section and click on Containers. This is where we will create a container to upload our files. Click the Add Container button and provide a name for it. We'll use PAM on Cloud and keep the anonymous access level as private, which is the default and recommended for secure storage. Then, click Create. Now, open the PAM on Cloud container you just created. To upload our prerequisite files, click the Upload button. We'll switch back to our File Explorer and select all three prerequisite files: the main zip package, the license file, and the recpub.key. Drag these files into the Upload blob area. Once the files are listed, click Upload. You can monitor the progress of each file. After a few moments, the files will be successfully uploaded to your PAM on Cloud container. And that's it. We've successfully created an Azure storage account, a container within it, and uploaded our necessary PAM on Cloud prerequisite files. In the next video, we'll proceed with the image creation process using these files.